Okay. We are checking in on the design of my game here. Let's see. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is the thing. I'll be Professor Devlog. So here's it was very sketchy, kind of early on, really simple. We have my working title, enter the coin engine, character, hero, protagonist, Elbow, lives in a small town, gets in trouble, he's bored, flips coins, WASD control, coins makes things disappear, basic move, flip a single coin. He's got some kind of power-ups, plants signposts to allow teleporting. We'll see. We can do that. I'm not sure how great I love it. There are the town folk that chase you, and you can throw coins at them. Sometimes they throw coins at you. Don't have monsters yet, sort of zombie archers. I don't know. Maybe they are the townsfolk. Maybe the townsfolk are going to be simplified version. Okay. Environment, typical RPG, top-down Pokemon, Game Boy kind of thing. Cornfield sends you to a Scarecrow game. Cave sends you to adventure game. There are 3 buildings. Mysterious well, working on that. Technical things, tile map sprites, enemy AI, randomly placed NPCs and planted ones, triggering events like alarm bells in the clock tower. Okay, so those are the goals. Let's see where we got to. All right, so here's the scene. Here's the game. We're still largely prototyping. A couple of things coming along. Spent some time on a dialogue system, which wasn't really in the spec here, but I decided to add it. It was an added bonus because things are going so well with all the other stuff. So let's press save and let's press play so you can see. Hopefully everybody's seeing the game where it should be. All right, so here we are in the game. And our hero can move around and shoot things. This is the basic attack, right? Our simple throw a single coin. You notice that there is a welcome to Littletown. And if we go on that, we can click on it and see population 100. Stay a while. Yay. All right. So we have a dialogue system. We can use that potentially to talk to people in the town as well. You'll notice the enemy AIs. I scaled them back a little bit so we can in class, in that they don't have sort of a selective gaze. They now have more of a 360 view. It's just a little easier to talk about. All right. So I've reached this. Guy doesn't see me. Why doesn't he see me? Because I am standing on the opposite. I'm standing and not me. But if I walk past, and now he will see me and start firing at me. Pushed me through this teleport, which is not great. All right, you also notice if I come up here and sort of really engage, I have a counter up here on my canvas, and you'll see I went down to 5 lives, 4 lives eventually if he keeps attacking me, and I will, all right, 4 lives left, so I do have a life counter. And you'll notice something kind of cool, something to think about. Well, here's a neat thing. If I shoot, I can shoot at this sign, which magically teleports the coins to this other place. So I through my portals, and let's see what was else. All right, so let's go down here. You'll see the normal little chests here. So here's my normal fire. I picked up a chest, and I got this cool weapon. Now, you'll notice this is the 4-direction weapon. If I fire too fast, if I go over more than 5 simultaneous shots, I wind up using up my weapon, and I can grab another one. Here, let's see what the sign says. Welcome to Barrel Town, or Barrel's End. All right, yep. Okay, come over here, got my weapon back again, my powered up weapon. I used it up. Now, okay, what do I got over here? I have a gold chest. Ooh. So I grab the gold chest. I have a 8-way. Is it 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. An 8-way version. Now, the cool thing about the 8-way is really that it makes it way more efficient to blow up bigger items like buildings and stuff, because I can get that simultaneous shrapnel thing kind of going on. So blowing up a section of a building is way simpler. Thing you might not have noticed, if you look at these shrubs or any item, if I shoot a well, a single thing, they grow back. Now there I doubled up and it didn't grow back because it didn't have time. So like the building gets repaired over the course of time. So damage does get restored. How's that for cool? And let's see. We have, oh, we want to enter this building. So the basic idea of entering things, you'll see it, oh, you come to an inn. And if I go in, look, inside the inn, teleported me to this place that had more chests. So let's use that one out. And we'll grab another one. Okay, so we got to remember this. We can't grab more than one at a time. Maybe that's something we can kind of add to the system later on. But I can teleport back. I should put a signpost there or something so I know where I am. I moved my these spinny things here just for the future. And you'll notice these guys turned red and stopped moving. There are certain triggers, and I forget exactly where they are. I think it might be the signpost in the building that turns them red, and they freeze for 10 seconds or something like that. So let's go back in here and run back in. I might want to move him, make him faster at some point. I can tune that up. So let's go back in here. I think this is the one that triggers it. Yep, you'll see they're red up there. So they are momentarily frozen. And that enables me to walk right up to them. And maybe, whoop, now they're alive again. And you'll see. So maybe I can do something like, well, when they're frozen, I can actually talk to them. I see I'm down to single fire here, which makes it way harder to destroy a building. All right, now last but not least, I did add this kind of feature that I go over to the Scarecrow game. And I have some more fixing to do on things. But that's the basics. So there's my check-in. And we were really kind of just testing out simultaneously streaming on your game as well. So here are all the features here. We'll talk a little bit today about, or you can look in the YouTube channel and find videos about the enemy AI and using my mouse button, my mouse location to figure out where I'm shooting. There's a talk about my, some stuff about my dialogue system and the importance of all these things. So hopefully you're making progress. Streams wherever they are.